This video I will explain PhonePe Transaction History. What is PhonePe Transaction History? Transaction history in PhonePe is a record of all your payments and receipts. It shows money you sent, money you received, bills you paid, and the mobile recharges you completed. You can think of it like a passbook in a bank, but inside your mobile app. Why transaction history is important? It helps you to track your spending, check if payment was successful, find details of any transaction, raise a complaint if needed. What details can you see? First, you will see the amount, how much money you sent or received. Next, you will see date and time, when the particular transaction has happened. Next, you will see transaction status. Status can be success or pending or failed. Success means payment was completed. Pending means payment is still processing. Failed means payment was not completed. Next, you will see transaction ID or UTR number. This one is the unique number to track your payment. Next you will see is receiver or sender name, who you paid or from whom you received the money. Now we will see the real life example. Imagine you sent 500 rupees to your friend Ravi. In your transaction history, you will see 500 rupees sent, Ravi's name, date and time, and transaction status as success. Suppose if Ravi says he did not receive money, what you can do is you can check the transaction status and share the transaction ID with your bank or customer support to help to track the payment. Now we will see how to check the transaction history in PhonePe. First you have to open the PhonePe app, then go to history or transactions. You will see a list of all transactions. You can tap on any transaction for full details. Understanding transaction status. First one is success, which means money is successfully transferred. Second one is pending, which means payment is in progress and you have to wait for some time. Third one is failed, which means payment did not go through, money will be refunded automatically. When you have to use transaction history, you have to use transaction history when you want to confirm payment, you need to track missing money, you want to check past expenses. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have discussed.